Hi, Richard Huntley here, back with a brand new video for you, talking all about the planks. We're going to be looking at the bad planks versus the good style planks, improving your posture, improving fat loss, breathing ability. You know, planks are a huge game changer if you get it right. So many beginners mess them up though. Today, let's set the record straight. Let's get them right for your body. And so next time you do a plank, I want to make sure that you're going to get it just right so you reap the benefits of it, so to speak. So make sure you watch this video the whole way through. It's going to be nice and quick and simple. I'm going to go over what not to do and what to do so you can go ahead straight away today or whenever you want, start taking action on the planking exercise. So with that being said, please share this video with your family and friends and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you want to grab my fat loss plan, it's free. Go and click on the link below and go ahead and grab that if you haven't already. So better planks, there's main parts for this. Here's the problem we've got that I see loads of people do, and we've all been guilty of this, especially when the body gets tired. We've been doing lots of exercises and maybe that your form isn't so good, but this is what we're looking for, okay, is I'm going to break down two parts that we don't want to do and then one part that we do. So the top image there, we're rounding over the shoulders and your hips are up too high, okay. You need to try and focus more on having core strength. If we don't have core strength, you're really going to suffer from this, okay, because this is a real good core exercise. So try to think to yourself, not too high up with the hips, but like the second image in the middle there, not too low. If your hips are too low, then you're going to lose the line that we're looking for as well. And also you see in the middle image that the neck is arched up. That's not going to be good for posture. Remember, we're exercising because we're trying to improve our overall posture as well, and the plank exercise can be a great one for that. But what we're trying to do with this one is really focus on the abs and the core, the midsection, or what I like to call the tree, the trunk of the body. And so the third part is the right one with the tick there. You should be in a lovely line like I wrote here, right down from your foot, right through the body, all the way through up towards the head area. That's why it's got a nice plank, like a nice straight plank position. If we can control that and then try and keep it in line for as long as you can. Now you can set yourself up with a little time challenge if you want. So if you want to go for 60 seconds, keep in good form like this, that's a great way to go. Or if you're starting off, you just want to do a 20 or 30 seconds, work your way right up to the 2-minute, 3-minute mark, and I'm telling you, that is a great challenge. Guys, this is a basic exercise, but if done right, it can really improve your overall body health, and I think that's what we need to start working towards. Lastly, I will say, when you're doing any of these type of basic exercises, these are the foundation exercises, meaning that it should be your bread and butter. So it should be something that's always done. This is a great type of style exercise. Get the fundamentals right. Get this exercise, this basic one right. Really try and be more mindful of this exercise, thinking about what you're doing. Like I said, from your head down to the arms, the spine, try and keep the hips in line. Don't drop them too low. Don't bring them up too high, fighting it. Keep the abs and the obliques and the core engaged tight, right down. Feel the quads, the calves, all the way down to the feet, even the toes and your fingers. If you really harmonize all of this together, you're going to get a way better exercise because you're more mindful of what you're doing, okay, than if you're just willy-nilly going for it, trying to move your head up, pumping your hips up and down, not holding, your breathing's all wrong. Good clean breath, nice clean plank. I'm telling you, this is a great exercise for you to do. Right, hope this has brought some value to you today. If it has, please hit that like button. Like I said at the start, share this with your family and friends and get them involved too. Show them the right way to plank. And like I said, it's going to improve huge health benefits for you and people around you. Start spreading the positive message. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing day and take care for now.